welcome back to my channel. Sorry, I'm a little bit sweaty, but let's pack today. So we're going to the beach. This is the bag I'm gonna brought. This is the bag, and let me check what's inside because I forgot what I put in here. Here's another bag in a bag. Okay, I think that's it. So let's see. Let's pack inside. Let's pack. Okay, first of all, like, first of all, I need a towel. Saan po yung towel ko? This is a towel. This is blue. This is my towel. Let's put inside the bag. I should have used that one. Next, clothes. What clothes should I wear? I think I have shorts. Saan po yung wait lang guys. Okay guys, this is what I'm gonna like after we like like go swimming. But this is not my swimming clothes. This is my done swimming clothes. This is my pants and the t-shirt. This is the pants. This is the pants. This is the front. This is the front. And this is the back. Let's put it in the back. Next is the t-shirt. This is the t-shirt it's Chicago. It's Chicago City with fashion. It's Chicago City with fashion. Okay. This is not my outfit. Okay, this is not my full outfit. This is Loki, I'm truly confused. I'm going to collect shells, so excuse me. So Loki, I'm gonna collect shells, so let me find my shell box for a moment. Okay, this is my shell box. Loki, like, I had some, like, okay, this is my shell box, so what looks inside. Don't care about this. This is my shell box. I'm gonna collect shells today. You know me, I'm a shell girl. Like, who does not love shells so much? And first of all, I need my I need to look fresh when I'm done swimming. So this is my soft lip gloss. The color is matte. This is my lip gloss. Okay. So I'm gonna put it right here. There's a zipper right here. Right inside. And low-key, it's hot outside. Like, it's very hot, so like, I need wear sunglasses. Like, okay, which sunglasses is like low-key? Which sunglasses? Let me try now. Okay, no, just giving like vibe, but just giving like granny vibe. So I think this one. I think this looks best on me. And this one, let's put it like here. There's a pocket right here. There's a pocket. You cannot see, but there's a pocket right there. So let's put it inside. Ah, yes, my father. Okay, I need like some plastic. Yeah, some plastic because I'm gonna put my wet clothes in the plastic. Wait lang sa pa. Papa gani ko ng lakaw. Ako ra lagi na sudlon. Sudlan. Okay, this is the plastic. BSD, bestseller dress. Okay, there's no dress in it, but this is gonna be my for my wet clothes. And I'm gonna screw. Okay, let's put it. There's a zipper right here. And there's so that's trash. Okay, wait. There's a zipper right here. A zipper, so let's put the plastic in there. And I'm totally not done. I have to do my hair. Okay, just oh wait, let me put my keychain in. Give me a moment. Okay, this is my Kuromi like keychain. That's Kuromi. That says happy. This says Sakura, and this say love world. Love word. Okay, this is my favorite keychain. So let's put it right here. Put it right here. Okay, done. think I think no, I have to do my hair first. You okay with that? Okay, this is my private stuff, so I'm not gonna like say it. Yeah, I'm not gonna say it. And before we go, let's get my trusty head, like, my trusty like headphones or earphones, because I'm gonna listen to my favorite songs. I'm gonna listen to Stray Kids songs, okay? So I need this. Okay, I think that's it. Oh wait, wait. I need to smell good when I'm done swimming. So wait just a moment. Wait just for a moment. So I have to bring this. So I have to bring my trusty cologne, bubbly pink Fiona cologne. I'm gonna bring the cologne. Let's put it by the glasses. Like by the glasses. And where's the comb? And when I'm done swimming, my hair is gonna get tangled. So this is my hairbrush. Yeah, let's put it the other let's put it right here. With the here. There's a pocket. There's two pockets in my bag, so let's put it there. I think that's it. I think that's it. Go to part 2 for my hair and my clothes. Bye.